Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies without brown sugar. We'll start by understanding what brown sugar uniquely contributes to your baked goods. Then, we'll explore several excellent substitutes you can use. Finally, I'll share practical tips on adjusting your recipes and techniques to ensure your cookies turn out perfectly moist and delicious every time, even without brown sugar. Brown sugar is a key ingredient for many cookie recipes, primarily because of its molasses content. This molasses provides moisture, which results in a chewier cookie texture. It also imparts a wonderful, deep caramel flavor that granulated sugar alone cannot replicate. Additionally, its slight acidity can help activate baking soda, contributing to the cookie's rise and spread. If you're out of brown sugar, don't worry. A common substitute is combining 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 tablespoon of molasses. For a different flavor, you can use maple syrup or honey, but remember to reduce other liquids in your recipe by about 1/4. Coconut sugar is another excellent option, providing a similar texture and a slightly caramel taste. When substituting, a few adjustments ensure success. If using liquid sweeteners like maple syrup, reduce other liquids in your recipe by about 1/4 to maintain dough consistency. Adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra butter or oil can help compensate for lost moisture. Baking at a slightly lower temperature, perhaps 325 degrees Fahrenheit, can prevent overbrowning. Chilling your dough for at least 30 minutes also improves texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.